In the heart of Europe's diverse landscapes, there exists a mesmerizing species known as the European ribbon birds. With their vibrant plumage and graceful movements, they captivate all who encounter them. These magnificent creatures are renowned for their striking appearance, characterized by long ribbon-like feathers that cascade from their wings and tails. Each bird's plumage is a masterpiece of nature's artistry, with hues ranging from dazzling blues and greens to radiant oranges and yellows. With each passing day, the young birds grow stronger and more confident under the watchful guidance of their parents. They take their first tentative flights, exploring the world beyond the nest. As the eggs hatch, the forest echoes with the hungry chirps of newborn chicks. The parents tirelessly feed and nurture their young, teaching them the ways of the forest. Once a pair bonds, they construct a delicate nest among the branches, where the female carefully tends to her eggs, ensuring their safety and warmth. During the breeding season, the forest comes alive with the enchanting courtship rituals of these birds. Males perform elaborate dances and display their vibrant plumage to attract a mate. And so the story of the European ribbon birds continues, a testament to the beauty and wonder of nature's creations.